welcome to Ruth's Crazy Kitchen. Today we're going to be making dirt cake with my friend Cara / neighbor / no, I'm kidding. Sorry we haven't posted a video in a while. We just moved and this is my new neighbor. So yeah, let's get started. These are the ingredients you'll need. Chocolate pudding, powdered sugar,
which is icing sugar in Ireland,
cream cheese,
which is soft cheese in Ireland,
Oreos, which I think is all the same thing, and gummy worms.
First we're going to put the Oreos into the food processor.
So let's go. This one was open, just not all the way. I'm not that stupid. That's it. And then you're gonna add the Oreos to the bowl. While she's doing that, I'm gonna dance.
Now we're going to put the cream cheese into a bowl.
And when she's done, I'm gonna add the icing sugar. And then we're gonna mix it up. Here's the good part. Now you get to lick the beaters. Griffin, you can't have one.
Finally, we're going to start layering it. Putting
Made in China. Here you go.
Longford County, China. Longford County, China. Nina's like, oh my. What? There, Bella's just like, oh my god. Bella's like, what? Bella's licking all the thing.
I was going to pick Bella up, and then Lila decided to do it at the same time, and she flipped up in the air.
No, I'm just about to go walk to Bella and pick her up, and then you picked her up at the same time as me.
Oh, it's just like
you.
Cara?
Wait, what do I say? What do I say again?
I'll say it. Please tell me it's on.
Cara, look what we have.